Do you think that the ceiling is as important as the floor? Short answer is yes. If you look up above, you can see we have faux beams and TNG applied. To do that and make it look nice, we need to have a nice surface to start with. And sometimes when you're doing remodels, there's some things that are left behind in the original build. And it's our job at AFT to not leave those things uncovered. So we go back and we fix them. Starting with this wall. So this wall was about 1.5 inches out of plumb. It was very wavy. This is an existing wall. We had to come back through and float this with mud, get it straight, even, and as close to plumb as possible. And that line transfers all the way up to the ceiling. And as you can see, on our TNG, our reveal, our bottom cut is nearly equal all the way across. It took a lot of effort and work to do that because this room is out of square at the top when we started, as well as the wall. If you look up above, you can see how we moved our fire sprinklers. Might be hard to see because they're blending in with the black. That's just a cap, a covering protection of the sprinkler. But this sprinkler here, there's one here, same on the other side. We intentionally place them inside the beam just to give a cleaner look. Our finished covers for those will also be black so they blend in with the beams. Our can light fixtures, same thing. If you look down the line, you can see on those joints how evenly spaced and equal they are placed in each bay. Back in the ceilings again, you can see over here. So this is another pre-existing ceiling that we're just renewing the surfaces. We added a few can lights. And as you can see, we place things in the ceiling with intention, with purpose, like they're supposed to be there. We have alignment in a straight line as well as centered on a fixture, whether it's a window, the countertop, or both. It could be centered on appliances each direction, but we have equal spacing. And to do that, sometimes we run into obstacles such as floor joists or trusses that we have to work around. Coming into this new addition, here's where the master bedroom is. You can see we're coming into this privacy wall. This is going to get a nice applied molding surface to it, as well as that full wall there. And as you transition up to the ceiling, you can see we have some nice structural steel trusses up there. Everything painted black again. The same treatment as we had in the family room and the dining room with the ceiling, the tongue and groove. And in here, we were able to do things right because this is our new addition that we added onto. We did have a tie-in into the existing over here, and that wall we talked about that's being out of plumb and wavy, it transferred to this side as well. We had to correct that. We shimmed it. We re-sheetrocked this whole room so we can, again, achieve those even reveals all throughout with alignment on our lighting, our fire sprinklers. Everything is going to finish out nicely. When we do this applied molding over here, this is going to be a really cool feature. It's going to start from the floor. It's going to go all the way up through the ceiling. It'll wrap around and intertwine between those trusses up at the top. Next time, when we get a little further along in the master bathroom over here, we'll go through there and take a tour of that one and talk about the features in that room as well as the closets. The closets are going to be pretty cool as well. So they have some large steel doors for his and hers closet. We'll see you on the next one.